Hormones are important for regulating many different processes in the body, including appetite and metabolism, sleep cycles, reproductive cycles and sexual function, body temperature and mood. The slightest imbalance may have a noticeable effect on your overall health and well-being. Levels of hormones naturally fluctuate at various life stages, most noticeably during puberty and in women during the menstrual cycle, pregnancy and the menopause. They can also be affected by lifestyle and certain medical conditions. What is important is to notice any symptoms and get them checked out by a qualified health professional so that you receive appropriate treatment, whether that involves using medication or complementary therapies, or making lifestyle changes to restore the balance and your good health. Here are 10 signs that you have estrogen dominance. 1. Weight gain. Putting on more than a few extra pounds can be an indication of too much estrogen. It causes bloating and makes it even harder to lose the weight. If you want to lose weight and keep it off, your estrogen can't suffer rapid changes. 2. Heavy menstruation. When your estrogen levels rise, it can have the unwanted side effect of giving you a heavier period than normal. So, if that happens, you might want to consider having your estrogen level checked. 3. Decreased sex drive. When you just don't want intimacy with your significant other, it could mean a significantly increased amount of estrogen. High amounts of estrogen point to a lowered sex drive, however. You don't want your estrogen to fall too low. It can also affect your desire for sex. 4. Irregular period. Your hormones and your period are closely related. When your estrogen fluctuates more than it should, the time between your period becomes unpredictable also. 5. Swollen breasts. When your hormone levels change, your breasts can become overly sensitive. So, when your breasts get tender to the touch, it might mean that you've got too much estrogen. 6. Changes in mood. Estrogen can affect your mental health. Too much of the female hormone has been attributed to panic and anxiety attacks as well as depression. 7. Frequent headaches. Have you recently experienced migraine headaches? Have you begun to get headaches more than normal? These issues could be caused by estrogen dominance. 8. Hair loss. When your body produces too much estrogen, your hair begins to thin. As it thins, it begins to fall out. Balancing your estrogen levels can take care of this irritating problem. 9. Insomnia. When you're having trouble sleeping, the cause could be too much estrogen. Our bodies know when there are problems and oftentimes has problems adjusting. Sleep loss can be a reflection of that. 10. Cold extremities. Estrogen levels can affect circulation too. If your hormone levels are abnormal, it could be the reason you're having a hard time keeping your hands and feet warm. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.